A cannabis tax fact for cannabis retailers. Gross receipts subject to the cannabis excise tax. As a cannabis retailer, you are responsible for collecting and paying the cannabis excise tax to the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration. Tax is still owed even if it's not collected from the purchaser. The cannabis excise tax is 15% of the gross receipts of any cannabis retail sale by a retailer. The 15% cannabis tax applies to retail sales of cannabis products. Gross receipts generally include everything your customer is required to pay for the purchase of cannabis or cannabis products from you. Here's an example of a retail sale and charges that should be included in gross receipts subject to the cannabis excise tax. Let's say you sell your customer some cannabis. Your town has a local cannabis business tax. Perhaps you deliver directly to your customer and charge a delivery fee. Perhaps you also charge your customer a service fee because they paid with a credit card. And let's say you charge your customer for the packaging, a bag, jar, container, or other packaging that you charge for. All of this, the cannabis, local cannabis business tax, delivery fee, service fee, and packaging make up the gross receipts and are subject to the cannabis excise tax. So, for this example, your total gross receipts subject to the cannabis excise tax is $40. The 15% cannabis excise tax is then $6, for a total of $46. Sales tax applies to this total. Remember, as a cannabis retailer, you are responsible for collecting and paying the cannabis excise tax on gross receipts. For more information, go to cdtfa.ca.gov and check out our tax guide for cannabis businesses page.